It's not speeded up at all. As you can see, I wave my hand in front of there so you can see it's in real time. I think I need to put, doing these sort of speeds, you do get a little bit of lift even though the bed's heated. Maybe a cooling fan down here to blow some air onto it to cool it quicker. But as you can see, it's pretty fine detail. We'll get closer in a minute. Obviously, if you wanted to, you wouldn't normally print at this sort of speed. I mean, I'm just doing this while messing around, because obviously the print quality does get affected. But then if you want to print something quick like brackets or something like that, then it's good to be able to have the speed, I suppose, and the stability. Take the get a little bit close up here. Well, that's about 30% done. I'm just going to, I don't know if you want to see the whole thing print, it's 30% done. I'm going to pause the camera and I'll come back when it's finished and show you. Right, it's about 90% done now. It's just doing the final layer. I think there's 8 layers altogether on this one. Obviously very fine layers, I think they're 0.4mm layer is set to at the moment. And it builds that up to about 2.5–3 mil. See what's on now. Yeah, 93% done now, so I'll just let it finish it off a minute and I'll show you the finished product to show, even at these high speeds, I mean, yeah, it's not as smooth as lower speeds obviously, but still quite impressive. Right, 98%. Should be about there. There you go, it's finished. Okay, I'll just bring that forward a bit. It took 11 minutes to print that. Might be a little bit soft, I found that it can be soft. That's pretty good. I think you agree. Let's try and get it. Let's zoom out a minute. I think you agree, that's pretty good quality. Seeing we're printing that very fast. Right. Leave that there. Okay, so that's the first look at the 3D printer frame. It's going really well. Cheers.